Hi, this dance is called Yummy, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia and Kim Calvin from Indonesia on March 2023. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improve your level line dance. There is one restart on wall 5 after 16 count, and then there is one take with 4 count after dancing 16 count on wall 9. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, rock diagonally forward, recover, cross behind, side, cross over, and then side touch with hip bump, up, down, up, and then quarter sailor step to left foot. And then section 2, rock forward, recover together, rock forward, recover together, coaster step, and then lock shuffle forward. Section 3, right botafogo, and then quarter diamond to left, and then big side step to left, and then close together. And then section 4, switch side touch, okay, with body wave, and then 3/4 unwind to left. Continue with walk forward. Okay, let me repeat with the count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then there is one take with 4 count, only touch forward, hold, and then shimmy shoulder with a count 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you enjoy the music, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.